Hello and welcome to the KitPlus TV News Roundup supported by Media Proxy. Now, if you're a regular viewer of KitPlus TV, then you may know we run in 4-month seasons, with each season having around 60 shows. Well, today is the last day of season 5, which means we've done around 300 shows since we started the news channel around the same time as COVID hit in early 2020.
Yeah, and interestingly, when we look back at our stats, the channel has seen over 200,000 views in that period, and we've still got a few more interviews to air this week. After that, we'll be back in April as we kick off the run-up to NAB in Las Vegas with coverage from the show as well. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
So first up in this last news roundup of season 5 are a few NAB announcements, starting with LiveU, where they'll be demonstrating their recently launched cloud innovation, Air Control, which serves as a single collaboration solution to get remote guests on air and live feeds into the system, giving crews the ability to manage all the human elements of a multi-guest production effortlessly and with true broadcast quality. They've also got some news they're keeping quiet for now about the newest addition to LiveU's end-to-end live video platform.
UHD, HDR, HFR and IP are set to take centre stage on the Ikegami exhibit at NAB, with product highlights including the UHK-X700 and UHL-F4000 cameras, BSX-100 UHD base station and ULE 217 HDR HD monitor.
Shotoku Broadcast Systems will use NAB to highlight features that boost functionality in production environments controlled either remotely or on site. They'll be demonstrating their flagship SmartPed fully robotic XY pedestal with orbit and LiveU features integrated into the TR-XT control panel, and its Orchestra CMS control system enhanced to enable quick and easy setup in legal or house of worship settings.
Also, Shotoku will highlight the TG18i integrated pan tilt head and its TI11 elevator pedestal, both to be demonstrated with additional capabilities that broaden appeal to a wider range of budgets and application. Now, we've recently covered the NDI HX3 news story, and today MrMXF is here to tell us all about it.
NDI announces new, better NDI HX3. Now, you may be familiar with NDI, or Network Device Interface Technology. It's the open source networking stack for sending video and audio over IP, and you can download all sorts of tools and an SDK from NDI.TV. Now, NDI HX is a software driver that allows any camera or GPU to act as a live video input for any NDI compatible hardware or software. You get tally, PTZ, presets, remote control, and when you've got power over Ethernet, you get all this down the one single cable. So the introduction of HX3 gives you a picture quality improvement as well as a latency reduction compared to HX2, which is super important when you want your interactive live videos to shine compared to someone using Zoom or Teams. Now, NewTek, as you'd expect, have already released a PTZ3 camera and it looks really funky. I'd love to get my hands on one to put it through its paces. NDI seems to be integrated into everything nowadays, from cameras to gaming engines, from asset management systems to video effects systems. I'll see you next week, because I've now got an NDI SDK to go integrate. Ciao!
Yeah, it looks very funky indeed. Let's see if we can get our hands on one to give him to try out. Thanks, Mr. MXF, and we're looking forward to hearing more of his Tech-Splainers in Season 6. Next up is systems integrator BeckTV, who have been working with Ross Video to design and implement broadcast quality multimedia systems at localhost at the Block in Philadelphia. The new esports campus is owned by Nerd Street Gamers and is the first of its kind in the nation. The 40,000 square foot campus, known as the Block, not only functions as Nerd Street Gamers' new corporate HQ, but also includes, among other things, global broadcast studios, a local host gaming and esports facility for hosting community, scholastic, amateur and pro-level tournaments that get streamed worldwide, and a bank of 150 top-of-the-line gaming stations that locals can rent to compete against other gamers in the facility or online.
Some Blackmagic Design news now, with Seoul-based production and post-studio Westworld completing colour correction on the recent TVN television series Mine, using DaVinci Resolve Studio, editing, grading, visual effects, and audio post software, and DaVinci Resolve Mini Panel. Also, the feature film The Desperate Hour, directed by Philip Noyce and starring Academy Award nominee Naomi Watts, was shot by cinematographer John Brawley, ACS, using the Blackmagic URSA Mini Pro 12K digital film camera. The film premieres in theatres and on demand on February the 25th, 2022.
Vizrt has revealed its newest innovation, graphics powered by Viz AI, premiered by Fox Sports in its production of the NASCAR season-opening Daytona 500. Vizrt's new object tracker, powered by Viz AI, allows the detection and tracking of objects, in this case race cars, over any incoming video feed. The simplicity and non-intrusiveness are some of the key strengths of the new object tracker. There's no complex camera tracking or other data inputs required. A video signal is all you need to apply the groundbreaking AI technology.
Lawo's V-Matrix platform has been doing such a good job at enabling a wide range of video and audio workflows and supporting the transition to a fully IP-based environment that they are now celebrating their 5th anniversary with a constant flow of significant software-based enhancements. The updated VM-UDX application turns V-Matrix C100 software-defined processing blades into powerful up-down cross-converters with up to 8 paths of format conversion, and additionally up to 4 3D LUT color space conversion paths. The latest software release and more information is available on lavo.com.
MwareTV, the leading cloud-based multi-tenant TV platform provider, has announced a partnership with Irdeto, who are the world leader in digital platform cybersecurity. The partnership allows Irdeto Control, their market-leading DRM solution, to be seamlessly integrated into MwareTV's IPTV OTT distribution platform.
Quasar Science has announced the global launch of its latest linear LED lighting range for motion picture and content creation. The Rainbow 2 and Double Rainbow tubular LED lights create intense, realistic lighting with multiple individually controllable pixels, delivering a high-quality white light and saturated colour that work in the tightest of spaces thanks to their sleek, low-profile shape. To get the full story on this, you might want to watch the interview we did with Ian Muir. The link is in the description below. And we will also be speaking with Tim Kang and Ben Dynas about the colour space and connectivity tech included in these new lights. Keep an eye out for them.
Staying with the lighting theme, DOP Choice now offers a custom-designed patented snapback softbox made to mount exclusively to the next LED bulbs and comes in its own compact black carry bag and snaps up instantly in one piece, weighing a mere 0.06 kilograms. And it rolls up in seconds and attaches via hook and loop. Once installed, the snapback's metallic interior brightens and evens out the illumination. An included removable quarter grid cloth front diffusion screen is ready to further soften output as needed. When the job's over, it can roll back up into the bag, even with the next bulb in place.
And to complete this trio of lighting news, SumoLite, who are known for, amongst others, Sumo Space, Sumo Sky and Sumo Max, they've announced the opening of SumoLite UK Limited. With an eye to the flourishing British surrounding media community, the new 2,000 square foot facility offers filmmakers a showroom and the opportunity to test existing and upcoming SumoLite products. Located at Elstree Film Studios, the accessible ground floor space provides clients with savvy staff, technicians and engineers, and of course 24/7 support.
Yeah, we all need savvy staff. Riedel Communications has reaffirmed its commitment to providing connected solutions for the digital transformation of the sports industry by partnering with Hanover-based IoT sports startup Iotis. Iotis just introduced a smart soccer ball that generates live data through integrated sensor technology and becomes a digital coach when paired with the Iotis training app. As a partner, Riedel will support Iotis with special hardware development and various service offerings, including logistics.
Via Access Orca has announced that Spanish telecommunications provider Avatel is delivering its new OTT service with an end-to-end solution from VO, ATEM and Optiva Media. The joint solution includes VO's service delivery platform, multi-DRM and secure video player, encoding, origin, packaging, cloud DVR and CDN from ATEM, and multi-screen apps from Optiva Multimedia. Avatel can now deliver a superior quality of experience and personalised content to subscribers through their 100 online channels and an on-demand catalogue of more than 2,500 movies and TV series.
TrackAb have released CoachPaint 9.2. It's a major enhancement of the company's popular sports-agnostic teleillustration software. Following on the successful introduction of fully automatic player tracking in CoachPaint 9.1, this new release adds another artificial intelligence-driven feature, automatic pitch calibration. Completing a key automation workflow for elite CoachPaint users, automatic pitch calibration allows for even faster, simpler use of the software's professional tools and in turn frees up valuable time for other essential work.
So that's it for the news today and for Season 5, as we said at the start, with a few more interviews to air this week covering the GH6, KVM, a bit more from Quasar Science, so make sure you look out for those. We'll be back in April with more. Thanks to Media Proxy for their continued support, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to listen to the podcasts. You can listen to them at kitplus.com/podcast. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.